Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character Wu step by step. I will write it in standard script, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. Wu. Thin, matter. For example, 购物 购物 means shopping. For example, would you like to go shopping with me? Would you like to go shopping with me? Would you like to go shopping with me? 你愿意跟我一起去购物吗？你愿意跟我 with me 一起去购物吗？你愿意跟我一起去购物吗？你愿意跟我一起 with me 去购物吗 ？Shopping, go shopping. 去购物吗？ Would you like to go shopping with me? 你愿意跟我一起去购物吗？ Wu in cursive. Okay, please comment any words or sentence with the character Wu. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.